With the MINI Aceman, we designed a completely new model. And this was a challenging and exciting time for the entire team. It's the first of its kind, and with its compact size and progressive crossover proportions, it fits perfectly between the Mini Cooper and the Mini Countryman. And it's purely electric. The Aceman features the new MINI design language, charismatic simplicity. A reduced design that preserves the brand's heritage while creating strong individual characters. The interior offers an immersive experience, fully digital, including light projections, sound, and a completely new user interface. And with knitted textiles and colorful patterns, we create a warm atmosphere. To me personally, a unique car, bold, reduced, edgy, and cozy.